These are the 5 common mistakes most buyers make. Number 5, this all ties together because you need to find the right neighborhood, the right house, what works for you, planning ahead. Number 5 is don't shop for a house distracted. You can look at houses on a Tuesday at 10 a.m. The kids are in school, etc. Let's go out if you have kids, if you have whatever the case might be. If you've got a very busy schedule. Sometimes there's 2 parties buying a house. Well, I'm more than happy to take one party out, looking at the house while the other party is doing whatever it may be. Maybe they're extremely busy at work. Don't be looking at the house thinking about what you should be doing for work. Let's go out with one of you, preview the house. When we narrow it down, then we'll go out and we'll make our decisions. But the bottom line is don't be distracted. You don't want to make a mistake. Let's make sure we negotiate for the right terms, buy in the right neighborhood, plan ahead, don't use all our savings, and don't be distracted. Let's make this a fun process. I'm Jim Starwalt with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, leader of the Star Home Team. We're here to help you avoid all these costly mistakes.